Want to make your home feel extra cozy and effortlessly stylish? These adorable Amazon Home gadgets bring warmth, comfort, and charm to every corner, while making daily life a little easier too. From soft glows to clever little helpers, each one adds a touch of comfort you'll love coming home to. All product links are waiting in the description below. Retro meets modern in the coolest way possible. This pixel art Bluetooth speaker looks like a mini vintage computer, but it's packed with smart features. You can play music, set alarms, display custom pixel animations, or even use it as a mood light. The sound is surprisingly rich and clear for its size, perfect for study sessions or relaxing nights. Customize the screen through the app and make it truly yours. Who says comfort and convenience can't mix? This clever tablet pillow stand lets you watch, read, or stream completely hands-free, whether you're in bed, on the sofa, or lounging in a chair. Its sturdy adjustable rods hold even heavy tablets at the perfect angle, keeping your neck relaxed and your hands free. In the middle, there's a detachable snack bowl for your treats, remotes, or even a drink. Soft, stable, and smart. It's your new favorite companion for ultimate chill time. Who said computer accessories have to be boring? This adorable bunny-shaped wireless mouse adds a playful touch to your desk while staying perfectly practical. You can connect it via Bluetooth or the included USB receiver, switching between devices in seconds. Its quiet clicks keep things peaceful, whether you're studying late or working in a shared space. Ever wish you could nap like your dog does? Now you can. This oversized human dog bed wraps you in soft, plush, and fluffy cotton, giving you and your pet the ultimate cozy spot to relax together. The sturdy frame keeps its shape, while the cute bunny ear design adds a playful touch to any room. Its cave-like shape creates a private little hideaway that melts away stress in minutes. Its comfort, companionship, and pure coziness all rolled into one giant cuddle zone. Cold coffee, be gone. This smart mug warmer keeps your drink at the perfect cozy temperature while you work, study, or scroll. With 3 heat settings and an auto shutoff feature, it's as safe as it is convenient. The non-slip base doubles as a phone stand because multitasking is life. Just place your flat-bottom mug on top and enjoy warm sips that last all day. Your desk just got smarter. This sleek glass dry erase board lets you jot down quick notes, reminders, or doodles right where you work. No sticky notes needed. But here's the twist. It also doubles as a wireless charging pad for your phone. Just set your device on the surface and it powers up while you plan your day. Clean, modern, and multitasking, just like you. Cooking just got a lot more fun and a little wild. This crocodile-shaped veggie chopper slices, dices, and grates your ingredients in seconds. With multiple interchangeable blades, you can prep onions, peppers, or salads without the mess or the tears. The sturdy base keeps everything stable, while the catch tray collects your chopped ingredients neatly. It's the quirky kitchen helper that turns meal prep into pure enjoyment. Blending on the go has never been this easy. This portable blender lets you whip up smoothies, shakes, or juices wherever you are. Just toss in your ingredients, press a button, and enjoy. It's lightweight, rechargeable via USB-C, and comes with a handy shoulder strap for travel. Safety sensors stop it if the lid isn't tight, so no spills or mess. Fresh, healthy drinks anytime, anywhere. No kitchen required. Your pup's new favorite game just got an upgrade. This automatic dog ball launcher keeps fetch going endlessly, no human arm required. Just load a mini tennis ball, and it launches up to 3 adjustable distances for non-stop fun. Perfect for small dogs. Indoors or outdoors, it helps burn energy while keeping your furry friend entertained. Sit back, relax, and let the launcher handle playtime like a pro. Turn any room into a calming underwater scene. This LED bubble tube lamp fills with colorful lights and gentle bubbles that make tiny fish appear to swim in slow motion. The soothing hum and soft glow help melt away stress. Perfect for relaxation or bedtime. It's also great for kids who love sensory play or need a peaceful focus aid. Just fill, plug in, and let the bubbles work their magic. Cooking just got a whole lot cuter. This heart-shaped rice cooker doesn't just make perfectly cooked rice, it can handle porridge, soups, stews, and even cakes. Its 360-degree heated non-stick pot locks in flavor and keeps food warm, so every bite is delicious. The smart cooking functions adjust heat automatically, making your meals sweeter and fluffier without guesswork. Meet the duck that perfectly captures your mood. Flat, squishy, and glowing. This rechargeable nightlight isn't just adorable, it's practical too, with 3 dimmable settings and a cozy warm glow for bedrooms, nurseries, or dorms. The soft silicone body is safe, durable, and stress-relieving, making it fun to squeeze or cuddle. Compact and portable, it's perfect for ambient lighting, late-night studying, or just a quirky desk companion. Ever wish your room looked straight out of a dream? These 3D cloud lights turn your ceiling into a floating sky of color. You can shape them yourself for a unique, fluffy look that glows and shifts with millions of shades. Sync them to your favorite songs and watch your room pulse to the beat. Perfect for cozy nights, creative setups, or just showing off your aesthetic. Meet the little gadget that keeps your hands busy and your mind calm. This infinity cube fidget spinner flips, folds, and spins in endless ways, keeping boredom miles away. Made from solid metal with a smooth rainbow finish, it feels satisfying to hold and watch spin. Whether you're focusing, thinking, or just fidgeting, this pocket-sized cube brings instant calm and endless fun. Who said your car can't have personality? This adorable Panda Pilot clips right onto your vent, turning it into a mini cockpit of freshness. When the air starts flowing, the tiny propeller spins and spreads a gentle marine scent through your car. It's fun to watch, smells amazing, and instantly brightens your dashboard. Cute, clever, and guaranteed to make every drive a little happier. Meet the cutest sous chef you'll ever have, a bright red crab that holds your utensils while you cook. Its sturdy silicone claws keep spoons, tongs, and ladles steady and off the counter, even when things get steamy. Heat-resistant and non-slip, it laughs at bubbling pots and sizzling pans. Easy to wash and full of charm, this little crab turns kitchen mess into kitchen fun. Who knew washing your hands could be this fun? This adorable snail soap dispenser adds a playful twist to your sink. Just press its shell, and the soap comes out of its little mouth. Kids love it, and adults can't help but smile. Made from durable, safe plastic, it's perfect for kitchens or bathrooms. Cute, quirky, and surprisingly practical, it brings nature-inspired charm to everyday routines. Peeling fruits and veggies just got a whole lot cuter. This caterpillar-shaped peeler glides smoothly over curved surfaces, making prep quick and easy. Its sharp stainless steel blade and comfy handle give you control without slipping. Dishwasher safe and durable. It's ready for endless kitchen adventures. Fun, practical, and charming. It's the perfect gadget to brighten up any cooking session. Say goodbye to frayed charging cables with a little fruity fun. These cute cable protectors slip right onto your iPhone cord, keeping it safe from bending and breaking. Each set comes with 4 colorful kawaii designs, from avocado to strawberry, adding personality to your charger. They're small, flexible, and perfect for kids or anyone who loves a playful touch. Practical, protective, and just plain adorable. Meet the little chicken that makes baking way more fun. This ceramic egg separator vomits the egg white while keeping the yolk perfectly intact. Just crack an egg into its top and watch the magic happen. Quick, clean, and oddly satisfying. Made from smooth, durable ceramic, it's safe, healthy, and dishwasher friendly. Cute, practical, and guaranteed to bring smiles to any kitchen. Turn your shower into a spa for your feet. This rabbit-shaped silicone foot scrubber sticks firmly to the floor with dozens of suction cups, so it won't slip while you clean. Hundreds of soft bristles massage your soles, reach between toes, and help remove dead skin. Made from durable, eco-friendly silicone, it's easy to rinse and dries quickly. Fun, practical, and surprisingly relaxing for every shower. Meet the ultimate beach chair that brings the shade with you. Unlike regular canopy chairs, this one wraps you in comfort with side panels and a back flap that blocks sunlight from every direction. When you're done, the canopy folds into its own carry case with padded straps. Just sling it on like a backpack and go. A built-in cup holder keeps your drink handy, while the side pocket stores your phone and snacks. Cool, comfy, and travel ready. It's your perfect spot under the sun. Make snack time a fun brain workout for your dog. This 2-in-1 puzzle toy challenges your pup with 2 levels of difficulty, keeping them engaged and mentally sharp. Fill it with treats, and watch as your dog figures out how to open lids, slide covers, or press the top to get rewards. Made from safe, durable materials, it's perfect for small to large dogs. Slow feeding, mental stimulation, and hours of tail-wagging fun, all in one toy. Laundry just got a lot simpler. This mini portable washer packs powerful cleaning into a small, travel-friendly design perfect for dorms, apartments, or vacations. Using ultrasonic technology, it sends gentle vibrations through fabric to lift out stains and kill bacteria better than hand washing. Just press a button, choose your mode, and let it handle the rest. No mess, no hassle. Lightweight, foldable, and made from safe food-grade materials. It's the smart way to keep your clothes fresh anywhere. Wake up, charge, and jam out all at the same time. This 6-in-1 bedside gadget combines a Bluetooth speaker, alarm clock, wireless charger, FM radio, adjustable nightlight, and phone stand. The LED display is easy to read, and the volume and brightness can be customized just for you. Powerful speakers bring rich sound to your bedroom or office, while the fast wireless charger keeps your devices ready. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.